welcome back to Five Nights at Freddy's. We are going to be doing night 4 up to night 5. Night 6 is going to be the next video. And while remember, outro is going to be different, so expect that. And without any further ado, let's get on into it, because this is not going to be very fun. Because I don't remember how to take care of this night. So let's do this. While we wait for it to load, why not consider subscribing if you haven't already, and click that like button while you still remember. Alright. Poop the nose food. Hello? Where's... There we go.
Oh, hey, wow, day 4. I knew you could do it. Hey, listen.
Quiet, you. Jeez, he's already on the move. This is not very good. This is not looking good. Dylan's walking towards me. Hi, how are you? Oh, he's still out there. It's Freddy while I'm at it. Ah, he's already out there. Guy. Oh, well, Chico's already at the door. It's only 2 a.m. Brady's right outside the door. Oh! Oh, hey, Freddy. Oh, no. This is not good. 15% at 5 a.m. Oh! Well, no one gets it first try. Okay, that seemed to have worked, so we'll go off that tactic. We just gotta be careful, because when Freddy comes around, he likes to be quiet. Or when he wants to be loud, he'll take up the entire thing. What are you looking at? Okay, we're getting there. We're doing a little. I think we're doing a little bit better this time. Chica went. Ah, crap.
Many unbearable hours later.
Ooh! Okay, okay. Let's go. If I remember correctly, it was about 30 There's something we killed the left door. Ah, 2, let's get 4, 5, 6. Okay, Foxy should be happy for a little bit. Not doing bad, not doing bad.
2 seconds later.
Oh, hey, buddy. You know, you just made this bad. See, I had this under control, and then you show up. Okay, so the sound does not come from Freddy, it's playing. Ah, Chica's still inside the kitchen thing. Yeah, yeah. 30% of 3 a.m. We gotta run on 3% every hour. Go away, or not Foxy, Bonnie.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Finally! See you next week. Yeah, no. 96, if I remember correctly, is just literally keep this side door closed. And then everything else is just go. Now let's go. Let's go. Already on cue. Oh yeah, we got this guy. He went straight into the kitchen, man. Okay, stop. Where are you going? It's the rabbit. These are making good. Oh, hey, how are ya? How you doing? I don't speak crackhead, I'm sorry. Oh. I'd rather die to Freddy. get me, Freddy. Yes! Woo! Yeah, baby, that's what I was waiting for. That's what I was all about. Woo! You know what? Before I do the outro, just everyone just take about a 5 to 10 minute break. May not be very impressive anymore to beat night 6, but never been able to do that. On to the outro, because that was the last of FNAF 1. Next upload was originally going to be night 6, but I decided, screw that, we're going to finish the rest of the game. We did. It took a long time, but we did it. So, next video we'll start FNAF 2, which that one I did actually remember back. Granted, that was back on a phone in 2014. No, 2016, I think. 17, 16, or I don't know, something along the lines of that. A long time ago. I beat it. So, but it was on a phone, so I don't know how different it's gonna be. Going from the fan games, probably gonna be a lot harder. Going by the fan games, it's gonna be a lot harder than I thought it's gonna be. I still fear when we have to play the fourth game, because that's the one I didn't get to make anywhere in the game. I beat all of them in the VR version, but 2 and 3 I beat. Uh, 4 I could not. Back in that day, or back in the day when it was out there, I couldn't figure out how it worked all the way. I was too stupid at the time. If you enjoyed the video, why not leave a like? If you're new around here and you like seeing videos like this one, why not consider subscribing? It is free, and if you wish to unsubscribe later on, you're free to do so. We are exactly at, how much subs was it again? Okay. As you can see from the background here, we are currently sitting at exactly 119 subs, almost 120. Our current goal is 300 subs. We are more than halfway there. We are a little over halfway there. We can make this the goal. But yeah, we're currently sitting at 119 subs, which is halfway towards our goal of 300. So why not reach that goal together? And if you enjoyed and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Cue the new outro.